Today, I will guide you how to create a V2Ray server from OpenVPN SSH website and use it on Dark Tunnel V2Ray and also on NPV Tunnel in this short video. These are proxy tools used to bypass censorship, access blocked websites, and enhance online privacy. If you liked the video, please share and subscribe. First of all, open any browser on your mobile, and in the search bar, type OpenVPN SSH and press enter. You will see different search results. From these results, tap on the official OpenVPN SSH website, and you will be on the home page. Once you are on the home page, look at the top navigation menu. In that menu, you will find different options like Home, User, Server, SSH/VPN, V2Ray, and About. Tap on the V2Ray menu option to proceed. Now on the V2Ray page, you will see several protocol options. These include VMess Free, VMess VIP, VLess Free, VLess VIP, Trojan Free, and Trojan VIP. For this tutorial, tap on VMess Free. The page will now show you available servers with a region filter at the top. You can filter by America, Asia, or Europe. Choose any region you prefer and scroll down to see the server cards. Each server card shows the server name, flag icon, IP address, location, available slots, and ports. Look for a server card that shows a Create User button. If you see a countdown timer instead of a button, that server is currently full. Simply choose another server that has the Create User button available. Once you find one, tap on the Create User button. A form will now appear asking for a username. Type any username you like in the required field. Leave the coupon field empty since we are using the free tier. Then tap on the Create User button at the bottom of the form to submit. The server will generate your V2Ray account instantly. You will see a table showing your server details, including the hostname, username, expiry date, and 3 configuration links. These are link TLS, link NTLS, and link gRPC. Tap on the text inside the link TLS text area to select it, and then copy the full VMess link to your clipboard. This link contains everything needed to configure your VPN client. Keep this copied on clipboard because we will use it on both apps. Now open the Google Play Store and in the search bar type Dark Tunnel and press enter. From the list of results, tap on Dark Tunnel VPN and then tap Install. Wait a few seconds for it to install on your device. Once installed, tap Open to launch the app. You will be on the home screen of Dark Tunnel. For the V2Ray settings, you can configure manually or simply import. Tap on the 3 dots icon located at the top right corner of the app to access the menu. From the menu, tap on Config. After that, a new set of options will appear. Tap on Import, and then from the submenu, tap on Clipboard. Make sure you already have the VMess link copied on your clipboard from the previous step. The app will automatically parse the link and fill in all the server details. Once the server is imported, you can edit additional settings, like entering a valid SNI in the given field if required. You can also adjust other V2Ray settings according to your preference. Once everything is set, tap on the Connect button to start the VPN connection. You will see the connection status change to Connected. You can now browse securely through your V2Ray tunnel. Test it for a few seconds and then disconnect, because we will now set up the same server on NPV Tunnel. Now open the Google Play Store again, and in the search bar type NPV Tunnel and press enter. From the list of results, tap on NPV Tunnel and then tap Install. Wait a few seconds for it to install. Once installed, tap Open to launch the app. You will see the home screen of NPV Tunnel. At the bottom of the screen, you will find a Servers button. Tap on it to proceed. Then tap on the plus icon to add a new server configuration. From the list of options, tap on Import from Clipboard. A new menu will open. From this menu, tap on V2ray Config. The app will automatically import the server configuration from your clipboard. All the fields will be filled in automatically. Once the import is complete, tap on the New Profile to select it. Then, go back to the home screen and tap on the Connect button to start the VPN connection. You are now connected through your V2Ray server on NPV Tunnel and can enjoy secure and private browsing. So this is how you can create a V2Ray server from OpenVPN SSH website and use it on both Dark Tunnel and NPV Tunnel for secure browsing and bypassing censorship. If this video was helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.